Jainam Software. Welcome to Genome Software. In this video, we are going to see how staff can check his salary statement and staff how can he apply leave from his profile. Just have a look. This is staff profile, that is agent 1. I have given some access, that is HR management, salary statement and apply leave. From the salary statement, here he can change the month. For example, let's say October, and here staff can refresh from here, and now you can see salary is already paid for the October, month of October. So you can staff can see the all details of this salary paid, and net pay the staff received 4,527. Staff can take a printout from here. Just click on this print and he can take a printout from here as well. After that he can apply leave. Go to the apply leave, and here let's select the date, for which date wants to apply. For example, let's take the 30th October. Here staff can select the reason, and here staff can write the description for, let's say, doctor appointment. Here staff can apply leave from here. He applied leave from here, doctor appointment, feeling not well. Admin can approve that leave from his profile. This time staff can check the salary statement and he can apply leave from his profile. Thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Thank you.